how to remove call forwarding from my phone. First, what you have to do is simply check if your calls are forwarded by simply locating the call button, then tap on it, and then come to the keypad button and then tap on it as well. And come and down this short code, that the star, then the hashtag, then come and down the 6 and then 1, okay, and then the hashtag again, okay. So all that you have to do is simply come and then dial this short code, okay. So after dialing it, what you have to do is simply come and then select your call button. So mine is on slot 1 and then I press on it, okay. So this is going to show. So as you can see, call forwarding, I don't have any call forwarding at the moment, okay. Beside that one too, beside this one, that is, you can also do it manually. So first come and then press on the OK. You can also check it manually by simply coming to the call button and then you tap on it and then simply look at the top where we have the three dots, okay. Come and then tap on it. After that, simply come here to where we have the settings and then tap on the settings, okay. So from the settings, simply come here to the call account, the calling account, and then tap on it and then come and select the network, okay. So mine is on slot 1. I'm simply going to select the slot 1 and then simply come here to where we have the call forwarding and then come and tap on the call forwarding, okay. So as you can see, we have call forwarding settings. So we have always forward, which is off. Beside it, we also have when busy, which is off. Beside it, we also have when unanswered, and then we have when unreachable, okay. All these are off. Make sure that they are all off, okay. So you also have the option to come to your call button and then come and then tap on the keypad button and then come and dial this code, that is the hashtag, another hashtag, and then 0, another 0, and then 2, okay, and then the hashtag, okay. And then after dialing the code, okay, so this code automatically it is going to cancel or remove all call forwarding, okay. So simply come and then select your SIM slot. Mine is on slot 1, and as you can see, call forwarding eraser was successful. So this is how to remove all call forwardings from your phone. Like the video and then see you in my next video.